You are going to love the 2014 Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season. Come take a test drive today.